mga gamers, tayo po ay nagbabalik sa panibagong episode na naman dito sa MLBB. At gusto nyo po namang mag-like and subscribe para naman po ay makatulong kayo kahit pa onte-onte kasi po tayo po ay mag-road to 100 subscribers. Kasi po, bago pa lang po ako at hindi ko pa po kaya, bumula lang kasi kailangan natin guys level 13 pa lang tayo. So guys, gagawin natin na lahat. Ating kaso po para delikado dahil may jungle ako kasi may jungle para delikado at kung gusto nyo naman po magkaroon ng murang bias at dekalidad na presyo, nadyan lang po sa link ng aking bio kung gusto nyo po kumuha ng murang diamond sa makakuha ng kahit anong skin sa ML na mabibili nyo dahil lang sa link na nasa baba ng aking description. Kaya thank you po sa mga manonood ngayon at
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash throws deployed!
Tara po tayo sa may jungle. Ito po ako bakit jungle lang sila. Basta sasabihin na natin sa tayo ng mga ML guidelines. Gold.
First blood.
At its finest.
Paano guys?
Great play. Enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Hindi ko yung
Absolute loyalty to the Creator.
so, nagagamot pa ako.
I fight where I am
You have slain an enemy.
Patay, bugok ka pa.
Killing spree.
Nasa lubo ka pa, kita mo unti na alam buhay mo, bugok.
An enemy has been slain.
What are you to me? Beta,
Pero guys, yung ganito yung boses ko. Pero, ang susunod, gagamit na ako ng bike na.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
I am not human, but something more.
Mega kill. Ally has been slain.
I am the true model number one.
Killing spree. Have been slain. Enemy has been slain. Unstoppable.
Kapag may ulit sila ako. Habuli ka rin sa tanas.
Target locked. Beta, on the way. Execution at its finest.
You have slain an enemy.
What are you? Beta.
Monster kill. Down.
Kukuha mo na ako yan.
An killing spree. Turtle.
Tapos,
An enemy has been slain.
Absolute loyalty to the Creator.
Your team destroyed a turret.
kapag
Mega kill.
Johnson ka kakampi, tapos
Initiate retreat backup.
may
Understood.
guard kang kasama,
Shut down.
pwede yun guys mag-continue.
An enemy has been slain.
By a heart
Tignan mo
of
guys,
steel
guard to.
and code.
Guard to.
An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Wala ka pa boss. Binaborot ka lang ng alpa ko.
Absolute loyalty to the Creator.
An enemy has been slain. Killing spree. Shut down. Killing spree.
Raboy natin ito. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nagot ka sa akin na lang.
By a heart of
Killing spree.
Makalevel naman tayo ng pang-unti-unti kasi wala pa tayo build.
recharged. Alpha standing by.
Tarang durugin natin ito.
An enemy has been
Pak,
slain.
pak, pak.
not when I am told.
Tara guys, punta na tayo dun sa bahay. Ano natin, lane. Tapos, Dr. Big sa akin, nag-aabot ng suntukan. Tignan natin kung auubra ko sa akin.
Monster kill.
Pinatay naman itong Layla na to, parang gugaw.
Motion synchronization complete.
Ako na nga lang papatay eh. Papatayin pa talaga.
Godlike. An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Legendary.
Nice. Okay, wala natin siya para makain natin yung...
Your team destroyed a turret. Legendary.
Saber. A clumsy work in progress.
Killing spree. Legendary. You have been slain.
Uploaded.
Your team destroyed a turret. Legendary. An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Double kill.
I-end na natin to para makita nyo na yung bahay.
Legendary. Double kill. Wipe
Na,
out.
tapos na. Diba guys? Done na!
Victory.
Ting, 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 ting. Ting, 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 ting. So, paalam guys!